The potential benefits of chamomile tea, for which there is the most evidence, is that chamomile has some unique properties that may benefit the quality of your sleep. It contains apigenin, an antioxidant that binds to certain receptors in your brain that may promote sleepiness and reduce insomnia, or the chronic inability to sleep. Chamomile is an herb that comes from the daisy-like flowers of the Asteraceae plant family. It has been consumed for centuries as a natural remedy for several health conditions. To make chamomile tea, the flowers are dried and then infused into hot water. Furthermore, chamomile tea is loaded with antioxidants that may play a role in lowering your risk of several diseases, including heart disease and cancer. Chamomile in American English or chamomile in British English, see spelling differences, is the common name for several daisy-like plants of the family Asteraceae. Two of the species, Matricaria recutita and Anthemis nobilis, are commonly used to make herbal infusions for beverages. Some studies have found that chamomile tea can lower blood sugar in people with diabetes. Research does not show that chamomile is a viable substitute for diabetes medications, but it may be a helpful supplement to existing treatments. Again, some studies suggest that chamomile tea may target cancer cells, or even prevent those cells from developing in the first place. However, research so far is inconclusive, and scientists say more work is needed to prove chamomile's anti-cancer claims. Also, most research has looked at clinical models in animals, not humans. Proper digestion is extremely important for your overall health. Limited evidence suggests chamomile may be effective for promoting better digestion by reducing the risk of certain gastrointestinal conditions. Despite these findings, more human research is needed to confirm chamomile's role in digestion. Anecdotal evidence and some studies, trusted source suggest that inhaling steam with chamomile extract can relieve some of the symptoms of the common cold. But this benefit is not proven yet through research. A small 1987 trusted source study found that applying chamomile extract directly to a wound assisted healing. Likewise, a few studies trusted source have found that chamomile ointments may help with eczema and mild inflammatory skin conditions, although they are not as effective as hydrocortisone cream. Chamomile tea is abundant in flavones, a class of antioxidants. Flavones have been studied for their potential to lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, which are important markers of your heart disease risk. People interested in trying chamomile tea should use it as a supplement to, and not a replacement for their usual medication regimen. In regular doses, such as 1 to 2 cups a day, it is possible to see incremental health improvements. Thank you for watching, hopefully useful.